In this lecture, we are going to generate admin. For admin, specifically, we are not going to create registration page because we cannot allow anyone to register as an admin. So what we will do, we are going to generate an admin. For that, I will open this PHP MyAdmin dashboard, open database. I will be creating new table. Table name, I will write admin table. Column name, admin ID, admin name. Then finally, I will be passing admin password. For admin ID, I will just check on this auto increment. Length, it will be 11. Name, it will be varchar. Let me pass 255. Password, I will be passing varchar. Length, I will write 255. Once it is done, click on save. Now I will come to insert. Now directly while inserting the admin, if I am inserting the password in this way, in text format, I cannot insert the admin password. So what I will do, come to editor, here inside the root, okay, wherever you want, just create one file. I will write admin password.php. Okay, anywhere in any folder you can create. Later on, we are going to delete this file. I will be writing PHP and close PHP. Inside this, I'm just going to echo, write this function password hash. Now, whatever password you want to give the password. I will be passing Hanam at 123. Whatever password you want, pass the password inside this password hash function. Next parameter, I will be passing password default. Once you have written this, copy the path, paste the path here, remove this. I will be passing localhost. Hit enter. Now you can see it has generated hashed password. Later on, when I am verifying the password, I have to enter this password. This is going to verify with this password. Once both the passwords are matched, only then admin will be able to log in. It is important you hash the password before storing inside the database. Now copy this hashed password. In place of this, here I am just going to paste that hashed password. Admin name, I will be passing Khanam. Whatever you want, you can pass that admin name. Let me write Khanam admin because user you have already created as Khanam. So here I will be passing Khanam admin. Now I will click on go. Now inside this, let me just come to browse. You can see we have stored the admin data. Admin name is Khanam admin and admin password we have hashed and we have stored. Then close the file and from here I'm just going to delete this file. Very important, you delete the file. Then inside admin area, I will be creating one more file, admin logout.php. Open PHP, close PHP. Later on, we will be creating sessions for admin. So here I will be writing session start. As soon as I click on this admin logout, what I have to do, I have to destroy all the session variables. And then where I should move to login page. So here I will be passing location. Location I will write admin login.php. Okay, as of now, we have not written the home page. We are not having logout button, but it is important we have logout button for admin as well. So we have added this simple functionality. We are starting the session. We are destroying the session, and once our session is destroyed, we will be redirected to admin login.php. Very important how we generate admin, and we have to store hashed password inside the database.